Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a work visa employer relocation letter. This letter is a formal document issued by an employer confirming the relocation of an employee to a different country or region under a valid work visa. You'll start your letter on your company's official letterhead, including your company name, address, and contact details. Add the date, then address it to the appropriate immigration officer or visa office, including their full mailing address. Use a clear subject line stating it's a relocation support letter for the employee. Begin the letter formally with "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing on behalf of company name to confirm our sponsorship and support for the work visa application of Mr. Miss, employee's full name, who has been offered the role of job title at our relocation city country office. Employee's name is a valued member of our team, currently working at our current location branch, and we are relocating them due to a business need for their specific skills and experience in our expanding operations. We fully support their relocation and will continue to employ them under the same terms and conditions of their current contract, with appropriate adjustments for the new location. Company name will also be responsible for relocation expenses and will ensure full compliance with all local labor and immigration regulations. Kindly consider this letter as part of their work visa documentation. Sincerely, your full name, your job title." Here's our sample work visa employer relocation letter. You'll notice how it clearly confirms the employee's relocation, outlines their role and the reason for the move, and expresses the employer's full support throughout the visa process. The letter's professional tone and clear structure help ensure a smooth and timely review by immigration authorities. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective immigration and business letters.